I got influenced like every other person who uses internet. Every single time that I'm on my phone, all these ads keep popping up on my feed like no one else's business. Someone is very kind enough to recommend me the same products which someone else is getting paid to do a collab for. I mean, isn't it too gimmicky? If everyone is talking about these products, there must be something about them, है ना? If not, let's just try it out in this video. But before that, hi, welcome to this channel. I'm Soumya. Now let's just get started with this video. So the first product is from the brand A Little Extra. This brand is formed by a content creator and I really love this content creator because her content revolves around plus size people and I love watching her videos, and the ads from this brand has been popping up on my feed since they have like appeared on Shark Tank the last season, and I just thought why not give this brand a try, and that's why I got myself this dabba. I got these products around Christmas and that's why I got like a Christmas themed. So inside we have like 4 rings. So all these rings are like adjustable rings, and these are brass material, and the brand claims that these will not oxidize like whatsoever. Like you can wear them for however long you feel like. These will not oxidize, and that's the reason I got myself these rings. To be honest, these are on the pricier side when compared to like other artificial jewelry brands. I got it because of the ads. इतने सारे ads देखने के बाद I had to try कि इसमें ऐसा क्या खास है. In my opinion, I really like the designs of all these rings. एंड आई लव दैट दीज आर एडजस्टेबल. मतलब रिंग सिर्फ आधे फिंगर तक आ रहा है, ऐसा एडजस्टेबल नहीं है. इट रियली कवर्स लाइक whole finger of mine. Like out of all the 4 rings, this one is my favorite, and this is from the new collection as well, and all the other rings are also nice. But my only issue is like 900 का product लेने के बाद भी I had to pay somewhere around 60 rupees for shipping. That was a bummer. And then when I received all these rings, I do have some opinion about them as well. I didn't find these rings to have like the perfect finishing. I know that these are made from brass and that these are handmade rings and stuff, but when you look at the like finishing of this ring, you may see that there are parts जहाँ पे इसको और अच्छे से फिनिशिंग की ज़रूरत थी. नॉट जस्ट दिस वन रिंग, इवन दिस वन, दिस हैज़ लाइक अ टिल्टेड एंडिंग जो मेरे फिंगर्स पे ठीक से बैठ नहीं रहा है. I love how these look on my fingers, but then when if someone will look at them up close, उनको समझ आ जाएगा कि it's not like that good. I just feel that for the price that they are asking, they could have done better. But nonetheless, I like these rings, but I don't really think that I'll be going back to this brand. I might just get rings from H&M at this price point because उनकी फिनिशिंग काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी है, एंड आई डोंट रियली वेयर रिंग्स थ्रू आउट द डे, तो मुझे कभी कभी बाहर जाने के लिए वो चलेगा इंस्टेड ऑफ दीज. सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ अ पास फॉर मी. The second product is something that everyone must have seen on their feed by now, and that is this hair serum from the brand Wishcare. I mean, इतना ज़्यादा ऐड कौन करता है? विश केयर का ये जो ग्रोथ कॉन्सेंट्रेट है, आई हैव हर्ड पीपल रेविंग अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट लेफ्ट राइट एंड सेंटर. बहुत ही रेयरली कोई क्रिएटर होगा जिसने ऐड नहीं करा. आई डिड फॉल फॉर दैट गिमिक एंड गॉट माई सेल्फ दिस प्रोडक्ट. आई हैव एम्प्टीड दिस होल पैकेजिंग एंड स्टिल आई डोंट हैव एनी रिव्यूज टू गिव इट टू यॉल. मैं इस वीडियो को बहुत टाइम से प्लान कर रही थी. मुझे ये था कि इस वीडियो में जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ, मुझे वो सारे के सारे ट्राई करने हैं पहले, और मुझे अपना ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन देना है. आई डोंट रियली नो व्हाट दिस प्रोडक्ट एक्चुअली डिड फॉर माई हेयर, फॉर माई स्कैल्प, बिकॉज एक तो ये इतना छोटा डब्बा, इट इज़ प्राइस्ड फॉर लाइक 999, बट डोंट गेट इट फॉर 999 कभी भी. और ये प्रोडक्ट आप हमेशा विशकेयर के ही वेबसाइट से लेना, बिकॉज आपको हमेशा लाइक बाय 1 गेट 1 या 50% ऑफ हर हफ्ते आपको ये ऑफर्स देखने को मिलेंगे ही. जस्ट वेट फॉर द करेक्ट टाइम. नाउ कमिंग टू द प्रोडक्ट, आपको ये प्रोटेक्टर मिलता है. व्हेन यू रिमूव दिस, देन जब आप इसको स्प्रे करते हो, दिस इज हाउ यू शुड अप्लाई इट, और आपको ऐसे से बस स्प्रेड कर देना है. दिस इज वॉट यू नीड टू डू फॉर एवरी सिंगल डे फॉर 30 days ऑन लाइक क्लीन स्कैल्प, नॉट ऑन लाइक ऑयली स्कैल्प. एंड दे से कि ये आपके स्कैल्प को ऑयली नहीं करता है, ये ग्रीजी कर देता है आपके स्कैल्प को. जो ये तो मैंने फील करा है पर्सनली. and then they also say that say within 1 month you'll get to see results and whatnot. I didn't see any results. I still swear by my rosemary essential oil that has done like wonders for my scalp, and I also did try it on my friend and like my mother. I got it for them as well, and this product did nothing for them also. I don't really know ये product work किसके लिए कर रहा है, because it ain't working for me and my family. So perfumes are quite a thing right now in the Indian market, and a lot of brands are coming up with really good fragrances, and so is the Middle Eastern brands as well. Latafa is quite something right now, and I fell for the trap and I got myself these samples from Perfume Palace. So Latafa is not easily available in India. Perfume Palace is a site जहाँ से आप ये प्रोडक्ट्स ले सकते हो, बट मुझे पर्सनली कहीं पे भी इन प्रोडक्ट्स का टेस्टर या लाइक ट्रैवल वाला साइज नहीं मिल रहा था. बट जब मैंने परफ्यूम पैलेस पे चेक करा तो वहाँ पे ना ये ऐसे छोटे टेस्टर वाले साइज में आ रहा था. सो आई वॉज रियली हैप्पी कि मुझे एटलीस्ट टेस्ट करने को तो मिलेगा बिफोर लाइक गेटिंग दोज प्रोडक्ट्स. व्हेन कंपेयर टू लाइक अदर ब्रांड्स फ्रॉम द वेस्ट, ऑब्वियसली लताफा इज क्वाइट चीप, बट देन उसका भी फुल साइज प्रोडक्ट के अबव 2000 रुपीज़ है. सो अगेन इट्स नॉट दैट चीप फॉर लाइक अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, और स्पेशली फॉर ऑल दीज फ्रेग्रेंसेज इट इज़ अ ब्लाइंड बाई, बिकॉज आपको वो इंडियन मार्केट में ऐसे मतलब मॉल्स या कहीं पे मिल तो नहीं रहा है जिसको आप ऐसे स्निफ करके ट्राई करोगे. सो ऑब्वियसली आप ऐसे रिव्यूज़ देखते हो कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स के ही, एंड देन यू गेट समथिंग फॉर योर सेल्फ, राइट. सर आपको देख के समझ आ रहा होगा इसमें से भी आई हैव माई फेवरेट्स. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दीज थ्री फर्स्ट, बिकॉज ऑल दीज थ्री आर फ्रॉम लताफा. आई हैव कामरा कावा, and I have Kamra, and then I have Yara. I'm shocked because मुझे Yara सबसे बेस्ट लगा इन तीनों में से. Yara is a very powdery, floral kind of a scent. It's very feminine. It's not a night perfume, it's a day perfume, like a picnic. You're out with your girls for a picnic or a brunch. It is that kind of perfume. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक रहता भी नहीं आपके स्किन पे. This stays for like good 4 to 5 hours. That's it. Kamra and Kamra Kawa are really strong scents. I am not really sensitive to harsh perfumes, but these two gave me a headache, which was new for me. I like them, but these are not really my kind of perfume. So I have given these to my brother and he uses it. And yes, Kamra and Kamra Kawa, both of them are unisex perfume. So if you are a man, I would suggest you to go for Kamra Kawa. It's very masculine scent. Kamra is a very blah scent for me. But out of all the 4 perfumes that I got for myself, this one stood out. This is Khair Pistachio from Paris Corner. Paris Corner also makes dupes for like all the other brands, और इसकी pricing at least Latafa से सस्ती है. And this product is a game changer. I got myself my favorite product, और मैंने इसका full size भी order कर दिया है. And this one is a dupe for Yum Pistachio from Kayali. So Kayali is really expensive. So if you want, you can go for this particular one. I don't know how to describe it, but this is a very feminine scent, and people will ask you where did you get this like scent from. It's that good scent. The next product is from the brand Foxtail. It is their Skin Radiance Mask. Like till date, this ad has been non-stop coming on my feed. I don't know whether this product is like trending right now or not, but iske ads are for sure trending. And this comes in this really cute packaging mein. I love this dabba. After this mask is finished, I will reuse this dabba for sure. And under me you get a spatula as well. There is this product. As you can see, I have used it a couple of times and I do have a review for y'all. I like the feel of it and I loved that this didn't dry on my skin. Like this is a nice feel good kind of a face mask, but I don't get the whole hype around it. मतलब इट्स अ गुड फेस मास्क राइट, बट इतना ज़्यादा ऐड है या लोग सही में इसको इतना ज़्यादा पसंद कर रहे हैं कि हर कोई इसके बारे में बात कर रहा है. आई एम इन 2 minds अबाउट दैट, एंड नॉट जस्ट दिस प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड बट ऑल द अदर प्रोडक्ट्स एज वेल. मैं सबको लेकर के ऐसे इन 2 minds ही हूँ, बिकॉज आर द प्रोडक्ट्स रियली दैट गुड या लोग बस बात कर रहे हैं इस ब्रांड के बारे में, लाइक वी ऑल डिड अबाउट ममा अर्थ. So it's a good product, that's it. And the last product is from my favorite brand, Dot & Key. It is the sunscreen stick. So sunscreen stick has been in trend for quite some time now. और वेस्ट के जितने भी ब्रांड्स हैं उनके प्रोडक्ट्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है. सो अब इंडियन ब्रांड्स भी अपने अपने वर्जन्स के साथ आ रहे हैं, विच आई रियली लाइक. एंड आई लव द कलर ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड द होल पैकेजिंग एज वेल. And it comes in this protected thing as well, and then you have to like rotate it from down here, तो ये ऐसे ऊपर आएगा. then you have to like apply it अच्छे से. again इसको roll down करो अच्छे से, जो ये हो नहीं रहा अभी, and then obviously secure it. I like the whole concept behind this, but then I will still prefer like sunscreen sprays over this stick, because I just don't find it to be hygienic enough. Out of all the 5 products that I chose to showcase in this video, only one of them stood their ground and the other 4 were quite mediocre in my opinion. So this gave me an insight that I shouldn't really be following all the trends that goes around on the internet, like beauty must-haves, Amazon must-haves, or like these are the products that you shouldn't be missing out on. I mean, sometimes if you miss out on products, that is for our own good, right? So this did really make me realize that I should be saving my money instead of blindly spending it all on these useless products. Sometimes it's just good to like gift yourself something or just purchase something for fun and stuff, but not every single time, hai na? So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do let me know. I would like to make more such content, and also please do let me know how you like this background, because I was kind of done with the previous background. So yeah, with that we come towards the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, you know the drill. Hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, comment below and subscribe to this channel. Till then, tata bye bye.